Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In Etabs, we get some warnings. One by one, I will show these warnings and I will show how to solve this. In a previous tutorial, I have shown solution of followings. Number 1, warning line load has not transferred. Number 2, error in creating analysis model and structure has no unrestrained mesh. And number 3, error, no agent mode found. That tutorial name is how to resolve one common warning and two major errors in Etabs model. Link I have added in the description of this tutorial. Today I will discuss about line overlapping and floors are too close warning. So let's start. Here I will start checking the model in Etabs. Click on this and this is the length tolerance for check. I use 0.1 inch for the tolerance of checking. Joint checks, frame checks, shell checks, other checks, and we can also tick on the box trim or extend frames and move joints to fix the problem. If we choose this box or if we click in this box, then Etabs will automatically trim any extra length of frames and extend the short length of frame and other joints to move the other joints will be moved to fix the problem. So now I will click on OK to check the model. So here are the warnings. So sometimes we close this and we need to see where is the warning. So if we run the analysis, then here will be the last analysis run log. There will be also the warnings, and just now only we are checking the model. So this warning we can see in the folder. So here is the file, warning file. You can open this one, open with notepad. Okay, so this is the warnings. Beam 1 and beam 17 are overlapping each other. So we'll check this one. Where is that beam? And we will find this B2 and B17 where it is, and this is the first floor. This is in first floor. So we'll go to first floor, then we will check the line assignment, frame labels. Section is different, label is the warning. Here is showing the beam level, not beam section. So I'll click on this. I will click. Okay, now see, here is the B1 and overlapping is B17. So B1 B2 is okay. So from here to here there is B17. So I will select by label, frame label B17, select. Okay, now I will delete this frame. So hopefully this warning has been gone. We will check later. First we will solve this floor also. F1 and F24 are too close. Now we will check where is the F1 and F24. So this is the F1 and F24. So this is too close or overlapping with this one. So I will move this one and we will change the snap option. We'll select perpendicular projection. Now move peak to point here to here, apply. Okay, so this floor problem has been solved hopefully. And now another warning, F24 and F25 too close with F27, 24, 25 and 27. Here is the 27 and this 24, 25. So reason we can see here the extra portion overlapping with the floor 27. So I will select this point, then I will go to move peak to point from here to here. This is the perpendicular projection, and sometimes this Z direction is coming minus 16 or minus something value. We have to careful, we have to edit this one, we have to keep it in Z0 and this only will be changed. So apply. Now it seems okay. Now if we I will close this one and I will check the model again. Check. Okay, so now see, model has been set and no warning message was generated. So in this tutorial I have shown the two warnings and their solutions. In the next tutorial I will show another warning and how to solve that one. I will show in that tutorial. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel and share my tutorials with your colleagues or with your friends.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.